Hello everybody and welcome to another Advent of Code 2022 video. As compared to my previous videos, this time we will solve the puzzle not using manual coding, but this time using OpenAI ChatGPT, which is an AI chatbot which allows you to solve various problems and answer various problems. And we'll try if it will be possible to solve the advent of code puzzles just using AI. So I have opened the first puzzle, the day one puzzle, and I will just let the AI solve it. So I will just copy the problem description and I will ask the AI, can you solve the following problem using C#? And press enter. And let's let the AI solve it. Okay, so the AI offered me some kind of solution. And we'll see if it makes sense or if it doesn't, if it's actually a correct solution. So I will take it and paste it into a solution, a program here. So I will just paste the solution here. And what? So it's reading from console. So I will adjust this so that it takes the input. Or let's ask the AI to change the input to use an input file. So let's do it like this. So now it should revise the solution to take the input file of input.txt instead. So this is very cool. We skipped the need to rewrite the code ourselves. And let's plug it in. So now we are reading from a file. And we should hopefully get... So I've prepared the input file from the problem already here. So we should be able to run it now. Let's see what happens. So we can see that ELF 223 has the most calories with a total of 72,017. And as you can see, this is the correct solution to the problem. 72,017. This is amazing. So the AI solved the first part of the problem. So now let's do the same thing for the second part of the problem. So I will copy the description. And I will paste the new version of the problem. And let's see what the AI says. So now it's generating a new solution that slightly modifies the previous code. So let's let it finish. So that's the full solution. And let's see what happens if I copy the code and paste it here. So now let's run it. And the solution, according to the AI, is 157,060. So let's see if it's the correct solution. So it seems now the AI made a mistake. So the solution is different. So now we have to figure out why it failed. So let's see. So top 3 elves. So let's see. The current solution that the AI came up with is current calories is adding or when there is an empty line, it's adding the calories for the current ELF into the sorted list. And the sorted list uses current calories as key and the ELF ID as the value, which I think is the problem, basically, because it should sorted by key. Okay, it's sorted by key, so that's correct. So it sorts by the highest number of calories. Okay, it's fine. This just adds the last one. But the problem here so the problem so it seems like if the current number of calories is greater than the lowest number, the ELF with the lowest number, it will override it, which seems correct. So what could be the issue here? So it's calculating total calories. The number of keys here should be 3. Let's see. So there should be... Oh, there are 4 items, which is weird. This shouldn't be happening. So why are there 4? Why is there the 4th item? So let's see. There must be a bug here, because it's adding one additional item to the list. So there should be exactly 3 items. Oh, this stopped. So now we have 2, and the third one. Interesting. Seems like it's adding just the 3 items, but then we have count of 4, which is odd. So now we have 2. Now we have 4. This is very interesting. Why is it adding this last one there? Oh, right. So it seems like it's doing this thing. Ah, right. So the problem here is that it's trying to use the key of 0 instead of the ELF. It's trying to replace the 0 key, which is basically ELF with 0 calories, which is not correct. So let's ask it to modify the code. This is incorrect, because the sorted list Plain list. Let's see. Let's ask it to use a plain list. Okay. Interesting. So this might be actually correct. So now we're using a plain list. So that simplifies the problem for the AI. And we'll see if this solution now works. Oh, it stopped. And the result is 212, 520. And that's correct. So now the AI has solved both parts of the problem, and it solved the first day of the advent of code. So this seems to be pretty amazing because this is all AI generated. And even though we had to help it a little bit, it's all being generated by the AI without any outside help because it's learned, it's trained on some data and it cannot access the internet. So all of this is generated by the offline trained data that it was provided. So that's amazing, and that's really mind-blowing. It means that we developers may become obsolete. So very cool. So let's wrap this video up, and I will do another one later, trying to solve the second day and so on. And we'll see how long the AI can keep up with the complexity of the problems, and how long it will be able to solve the advent of code puzzles. So see you in the next video, and bye bye.